Hi guys, this is Vaibhav Sharma and you are watching VS Tech Toys. Today I will tell you how to turn off the talkback feature in any Android device. This is an annoying feature for some people as it talks back everything you touch on. So to turn it off, firstly we have turned it on in settings menu in accessibility. Now we will try to turn it off. So watch this tutorial till end to see how to turn off the talkback feature. Firstly we will head to the settings and the main problem is that we can't scroll in the settings down so that we can reach the accessibility setting. This problem is solved by searching that setting in the above search bar. We will search for the accessibility typing the two words ACC. Now we will be able to reach the accessibility setting. Just double click on that accessibility setting and click on talkback and turn this feature off. So thanks guys for watching this video. Please comment down below, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos.